guys, welcome to day 1 of 12 days of planning. In this video, I am making my gift guide and I am using this brand new, to me, I just got this, the seasonal RongRong collab sticker book. And right here at the front is like New Year's stuff, but then it's like this really cute and colorful girls. So I pulled out this pink notebook paper and I'm gonna make this really cute and fun. I cannot wait for these 12 days of planning. Let's go ahead and get started. I have over here my gift guide of what I am buying everyone, but I want to make it cute and fun, and I want it to be on one sheet just like this, where I can bring it when I go to stores or when I'm buying online, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and start. I have 2 stickers up here at the front that I wanted to use out of journaling, kind of like bigger ones. I can go ahead and pull them out as well. And I'm gonna try to put like a cute border on them as well. Okay, so then this will go directly under it. These girls are so cute. Look at them. I think I'm gonna put that right beside it, like a really good focal point of the page. Okay, and then this one, kind of putting it a little bit like that. I also had this Christmas Joy pulled out because there's colorful stuff in here. So let me put these down as well. So this to buy matches well. This budget, I definitely want to use. I'm going to put it on the back. That's something that I really would like to have a physical place where I'm keeping track of it. I always mentally do it each year, but that's a really great sticker to use. This 'Tis the Season is pink. I like that. Maybe put it right there. If not, I can always move it. This gift wrapping is adorable. That is like so adorable. Maybe up there. Ooh, and look, these presents. These gifts, maybe I could put up there. Actually, maybe this corner would be good. Let me start writing things in and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I am taking a risk by physically writing when I'm buying everyone, mostly on this list, or at least what my mind is thinking I'm gonna do at this point. And hopefully none of them actually watch it. Maybe I'll just tell them, like, please don't watch it. Okay. So, oh, it makes me so nervous to write my husband on here, but it's what I gotta do, you know? This is actually not gonna be enough room. Like in the book, this box seems huge, but it's just not gonna be enough room. So thankfully, I mean, I have the other side. I'm gonna make some other boxes. Okay, so the reason that I did that was because the other boxes are lined. So I want to, you know, make it look like the other ones. It's not a perfect science, okay, people? Okay. Okay, I'm changing my mind. I'm not gonna like write everything out. Because this is supposed to be a quick video. It's decorated nicely on this side, but not this side. So let's do a little bit over here and put holiday shopping. Wish it was bigger. I really want to use this girl, but I also want to keep her, so I'm not going to. But I do want at least somebody on this side, so I'm going to use this girl. It says Joy. I need tape, tags, ribbon, maybe tissue paper, and I might have enough paper from last year. Maybe boxes. These gifts are good. Have a little something something on there. I think we're all done. All right, well, that is gonna be it for day 1 of 12 days of planning. And I really like how this turned out. It's simple, but it's like colorful and fun at the same time. And it's exactly what I need. I need to be able to write down my final decisions of what I'm buying everyone, because on this gift list, I wrote down a lot of ideas, but I need to like narrow it down. So this is gonna be the final list. So yay, I'm excited. All right, so make sure you have on your post notifications, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.